Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13! Woohoo! Ooh. Good morning!
Good morning!
It's It's Wednesday today. It's past 10 o'clock. So today it's Yan Yan's first dentist appointment at 12 noon. So we're just gonna wait for Daddy to come home in a bit. And right now, while we're here in the bedroom. Yan Yan is playing his mommy's phone actually. This is just our fun today, just a dentist appointment.
Don't do that, mother! Go to the bed! I'm on the bed. No.
Daddy made a calendar. Yan Yan is crazy, so I'm gonna be. So Daddy made this one here. It's a DIY calendar for Yan Yan. A date over here where he can, take it out day after day. Pick one. Okay, pick one. That's it. Yay! Show me. 12 days is gone, right? Yay! And then here's the calendar. Daddy will gonna show him what the dates of the calendar. It's also teaching the kid how to, read the calendar, something like that. It's fun. Over here, I have, what is this? I have Santa's list for baby Yan Yan. So, Yan Yan has to put it up, right, Yan?
Yeah.
Santa's list for baby Yan Yan. Whatever Yan Yan likes to have for Christmas, he's gonna put it down here. Actually, he already have one, but we're just gonna transfer it. So, nah, look at that. You destroy my illustration. You fix it. Put it there. For my face today, I am wearing Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation with the Revlon Photo Filter Foundation. It does cling on my dry patches over here. You cannot really see it from up close, but yeah. And then a little bit of bronzer, and then blush. L'Oreal Stylist Brow Definer as usual. There's nothing weird about it, but it's my norm. Then lips, Wet n Wild Makeup, and then NYX Butter Gloss. I also wear some powder foundation just to, get rid of my oil, and then finish it up with a Milani setting spray. That's it. And we're just gonna be chilling out right now. We still have time. This is our Christmas tree over here, and then here. It's the living room that I need to put away, and here is Yan Yan, and I need to get him ready. Okay, so that's it. It's nothing much to clean anyway, because I did clean up yesterday. So I still have the TV that needs to get rid of, and I have an extra one here. Bulbs. Maybe I could put up here, because I need to figure out a Christmas tree top. I have to learn how to do it. Tutorial in YouTube tonight probably. So I'm gonna be doing that. So the tree is messed up right now because our boy is always pressing the tree over here. So over here, this is a DIY I made last year. No, I made this a few years ago. It's just made of like a cardboard box, right? And then I wrap it with a wrapping paper and then put it like an extra. Normally I have the ribbon here, but I did not put it right now, but I do. And the other one just fell off over there. It used to be over here, but it fell off. And then that's it. That's all I do. And then some, little snowman over here. Okay, now so we're ready and we're just waiting for Daddy. Make it whitey and shiny, right?
What's that, Daddy?
So it's 2:17 in the afternoon right now. I'm in the kitchen. I'm trying to prepare my lunch. Yanis is sleeping. Daddy Joe is picking up our car. We got a problem after we got off from the clinic. Joey's pickup truck did not start. We don't know what's going on. So we ride home with an Uber, which is my first time. I didn't even know what to do with it, but good thing I have the app on my phone, and then I turn on also my mobile data so I can use it right away. So it's really good thing that we're able to do that. And then we got home safe. And now, yeah, so I don't know, guys. Just bad luck. It's just misfortune, one from the other. I hope there'll be a better days coming ahead, a good blessing in the days ahead. I'm wishing for that. So I'm just gonna end my vlog for today. I know it's not that much, but yeah, I just need to relax my mind because I had a very super headache right now. So I got a migraine, so I need to relax, and then I will just gonna be seeing you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.